Hey guys, what's up? Jeremy Shafer here. Check out the new model I just designed. It's an asterisk that spins. And it also transforms into an Asterisk Gift Box. And the box spins. And it can open up like this, and you can stick a present into the gift box and then close the corners back up, and you have yourself a spinning Asterisk gift box. And this box suddenly does have a gift in it. Let's see what it is. It is a YouTube. Let's see what's inside. It's a surprise! Yep, this is a giveaway contest for a free 1-hour origami tutoring session with me, during which we can try to design an origami model together. To participate in this giveaway, step 1, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and step 2, click the link in the video description and fill out the form. And now back to the origami asterisk gift box tutorial, already in progress. It can also be an alien. Want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this Asterisk gift box, I used a 10-inch square of kami, and that's what I'm going to use to teach it to you from. So let's begin white side up and fold in half. And unfold, rotate, and fold in half like this. And unfold and fold the bottom edge to the crease. And rotate and repeat on this side. And rotate and fold this edge to the crease. And do the same thing on this side. And now fold it diagonally in half. Try to hold the layers down so that they don't slide. And when you unfold it, hold these two corners and unfold like that. So that's what it looks like. And now rotate and fold it in half diagonally like this. And unfold it again, holding these two corners like that. And now, holding like this, pull this corner out like that. And do the same thing with this corner. And rotate and do the same thing on this side. Ooh, they're blinky eyes. Okay, now open this flap and squash it. And do the same thing on this flap. And same thing on these two. Okay, now fold this flap up so that this edge aligns with the crease. And it goes right to the corner, right to the middle point. And repeat on this side. And do that on the other 3 squares. And now open and squash. And when you squash, you want this crease to land on this line. Like that. And now close this flap like this, and now fold it so that this edge aligns with the crease. And it goes right to the corner, right to the middle point. And now fold it like this. And now repeat on this side. So bring this flap up, rotate, and fold this flap so that this raw edge aligns with this edge. And open here and flatten. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on all of these flaps. So I'll do one more and then I'll fast forward it. So it's like this. And bring this flap over here. Like that. And open here and bring this flap over. And fold to the crease. And open here. And flatten. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we have to do it 6 more times. And I'm gonna fast forward this part. And flatten them all nicely. Ooh, careful not to tear. That was a close one. I might have torn a millimeter. All right, now let's fold in half like this, and unfold and fold in half like this, and unfold. Now like this, you see it spins pretty nicely. Okay, so that's as a spinner. Just make sure that all of these are mountain folds from this side so that this point sticks out a little bit. Now, to make it into a box, I don't remember. Okay, to make it into a box, let's turn over and fold this flap up right at the first white points. There. And unfold and do the same thing on the other 3 sides. Okay, now let's turn over, and now we need to reach inside. So under here, stick your hand inside the model, like under there. And now pinch right on this crease. There and there. So it's like that. From the inside, it's like that. And now we're gonna push these edges in. So push and pinch here, like that. can just kind of make that fold and do it again on this corner. And so on. And there's the box. And you can fold on that fold that should already be made. And to close the box, you just push the corners down. So it's like that. And to open it up, you just hold here and it opens. And it closes. Now to get it to spin, you want to make sure that this bottom point sticks down a little bit. So just push it like that. And see if you can bring the points back down without pushing that point in. And let's see. Yeah, it spins a little bit. And you can get down and actually blow on it probably. That's pretty cool. I'm just blowing right on the side here. I just figured that out now. So there you have it. And that is the box, and it's also some sort of alien creature. And it's a gift box. So I hope you guys find this model useful and fun to fold and fun to give. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.